Other farm sows are highly productive, while yours are either too thin to come into heat, or they're too fat to conceive, with breeding and conception results unacceptably low. Have you really managed sow back fat properly? FPF Precision Feeder 3.0. In the sow breeding and conception scenario, based on each sow's back fat thickness, along with key data such as breed line, parity, gestation stage, and litter performance, combined with animal nutrition and feed science. Using the FPF Precision Requirement Large Model Intelligent Matching Technology, it produces a full physiological cycle plan with customized feeding requirements. It meets the differentiated feeding needs of different sows. It ensures that sows eat according to their needs. Sows with different back fat levels eat exactly the amount they should. They eat whenever they need to eat. This effectively helps you control sow body condition with precision. Let intelligence be reflected in every precise feeding. The Precision Feeder automates feed supply and dispensing. It is equipped with a dynamic weighing algorithm. It achieves plus-minus 20 grams industrial-grade precision in feed dispensing.